everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It's me, Jerry. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe and looking after one another, being kind and all that stuff. Today I am doing my first collab with my good friend Linda over at Create with Linda. I'll leave a link in the description box below how to find her page. Today it's an open collab that she's doing, and it's favorite diner food from your childhood. So Casey's like, him and his dad picked Western omelet, so that's what we're going to make. So enough talking, let's get to it, and watch, share, like, subscribe. Western omelet, I am going to get my onion chopped. Just don't need a lot. I'm just going to make a sandwich right now on camera. Want it diced up small. Small, small, small. Over. Now I'm going to get a little bit of green pepper here for my
have the home fries cooking.
Okay, this is leftover ham that I had a ham yesterday. A little bit of mustard sauce on it, but that's not going to hurt anyone. Just going to dice it up a little bit. Some eggs. Perfect. Salt and pepper, a lot of butter.
A little bit of oil on it so it doesn't burn. Just a little drop.
So we're going with the traditional. You can add cheese and mushroom in that if you like, but this is just the traditional Western omelet.
We're gonna break it.
You want ketchup? Yeah, but I'm gonna edit this part down. little bit of mayo. Good old mayonnaise. Now, I know my family likes it with ketchup, so I'm going to grab a bit of ketchup. And a bit of HP sauce. Good old House of Parliament sauce. What do you think? There we go. Epic.
I think I can't wait.
Good old diner food. What do you think, hon?
Can't wait to eat it.
Well, you enjoy it. Love you, babe.